Good evening. We just had a wonderful night, dinner, and we have Martha Jenkins, who is with the national organization. And you spoke today about the importance of the Supreme Court justices and keeping it at 9 justices. Why is that important?
Well, the independence of the Supreme Court is paramount to our constitutional republic. There have been pushes in the last couple of years to increase the number of justices on the court for political, partisan reasons. And even Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg, before she passed away, stated that 9 is a good number. And when FDR, when Franklin Delano Roosevelt tried to pack the court in the 1940s, both parties shut him down. Both parties said that's not a good idea. The founders set up 3 separate but equal branches. And if 2 of the branches control the 3rd branch, then it's no longer an independent court. In fact, one of the first things that Hugo Chavez did in Venezuela was increase the size of the court and add his own people and pack the court. Oh, wow. Because then they weren't striking down the things that he did that were against the Venezuelan constitution. And so we face the same threat, and it's really important. There's an effort, and the National Federation of Republican Women is involved, to pass the Keep 9 Amendment, which would add this line to the Constitution: the Supreme Court of the United States shall be composed of 9 justices. That's all it says. It's as plain as it can be. And that's the only way to stop socialism and to stop court packing.
The national organization is a wonderful organization. That's some of the causes that we do. But real quickly, tell us a little bit of some of the other advantages of the National Federation and some of the resources.
Okay, well, of course, in our federation, when you join a local federated club, you're automatically a member of your state federation and the national federation. And most of the actual work of our federation is done at the local level, in campaigns, in your communities, etc. But your state and your national federation has resources that local clubs couldn't afford on their own, whether it's getting in speakers, or whether it's campaign training, or whether it's just membership and keeping membership numbers straight. And so there's a National Federation of Republican Women office in Alexandria, Virginia. We're in a historic old house in Old Town, Alexandria. It's a beautiful building. And we have 2 or 3 national meetings every year, and every other year there's a national convention that all clubs automatically have a delegate to.
Well, that's great. Well, thank you so much for all you've done for the club. And God bless America, and let's just keep fighting, right?
That's right.
Okay.
Let's go, Brandon. Can I say that?